But it definitely looks like it's about to rain. I just finished filming a 1-year review on the beautiful Yamaha R1M. And now I'm just gonna do a chill ride around, enjoy this video. But most importantly, this video is gonna be a reveal of what's been waited for a long time. And I teased you guys a lot with some clips and stuff like that. Finally, my new intro is ready. It looks absolutely amazing. Came out just like how I wanted it to be. I'm gonna link the videographer that made this video, and you should definitely check him out on Instagram. I'm gonna link his Instagram somewhere here on the screen. And he did such an amazing job. We went back and forth many times choosing the right song, just little things here and there, and the video came out exactly how I wanted it to be. Just looked absolutely amazing. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the video, and then after that I'm just gonna go on a chill R1M ride. If you wanted to keep watching the video, you're more than welcome to, but I wanted to kind of make a reveal video of the intro that is finally ready. Without further ado, enjoy the new intro. Let me know what you guys thought about the intro. I absolutely love it. I know it's a little long. It's like pretty much half a minute. But I looked at every single clip, and every single clip that's in there just looks amazing. The flow of it is amazing. Like Isaac, the videographer, he killed it. Again, make sure to check out his Instagram, and if you guys want work done for your motorcycle here in California, Orange County, definitely hit him up. Thank you so much, Isaac. And this is the new intro. Hope you guys like it, because it's gonna be in every single video, because I personally love it. So yeah, now we're just gonna go on a little ride. Enjoy the video, guys.